Before sunrise touches the flight line, special operations aircraft are already alive with quiet purpose. Engines hum low, crews move fast, and the air feels heavy with mission focus. This isn't training, this is sharpening the blade. Exercise Emerald Warrior 20.1 brings together America's most elite aircrews, ground teams, and joint force partners. Every lesson, every tactic, every threat from real-world battlefields is brought here, analyzed, improved, and mastered. And today, the spotlight is on one of the most critical lifelines in modern warfare: forward area refueling operations. When special operations aircraft push behind enemy lines, fuel is life. Every extra mile matters, every pound counts. Forward refueling keeps aircraft dangerous, unpredictable, and always in the fight. Today's operation brings in AFSOC aircraft equipped for austere missions, operating from rough surfaces, improvised strips, and rapid insertion zones. Ground crews set up the forward pit refueling point with surgical precision. Every movement is controlled, because in real-world combat, seconds are expensive. It starts with a site survey. Before the aircraft even arrives, the team sweeps the ground, checks wind, evaluates terrain, and establishes the safest approach path. Once cleared, the refueling bladder, hoses, and filtration systems are locked into position. Security teams form a perimeter, 360-degree coverage. No blind spots. No surprises. Fire suppression gear is staged, communications channels checked, and the refueling chief gives the green light. As the aircraft approaches, the crew chief steps forward, guiding it and using silent arm signals. No shouting. No wasted motion. Special operations crews are trained to work in silence because noise gives away position. Chocks are set, engines remain running, and the forward pit team moves in. They ground the aircraft to eliminate static. Safety first. Always. The hose is connected to the refueling port. Pressure is checked. Flow is initiated. Fuel runs fast, but the process is anything but rushed. Crews monitor temperature, PSI, and contamination indicators in real time. In the field, a single fuel impurity can ground an aircraft, and grounding means mission failure. That does not happen here. This exercise isn't just about aircraft. It's about joint power. Special operations aviators, maintainers, security forces, fuel specialists, tactical controllers, and multinational partners, all working as one lethal unit. Every drop of fuel pumped today represents precision, trust, and teamwork. Every completed refuel pushes the joint force closer to mission perfection. When the mission is real, there's no time to practice. There is only execution. And here, at Joint Base Clinton-Richardson, special operations crews prove exactly why they're the most adaptable, most skilled, and most reliable force on Earth. This is AFSOC. This is readiness. This is Emerald Warrior 20.1. This isn't just an Air Force exercise. It's a joint, combined, multi-domain machine. Pilots, maintainers, fuel specialists, security forces, TACs, and partner nations, moving like one synchronized force. Every gallon pumped represents discipline. Every completed refuel represents teamwork. Every second saved represents another victory in the making. The Airborne Lifeline. High in the stratosphere, long before the Raptor even appears on radar, a tanker aircraft is already on station. Sometimes it's the KC-135 Stratotanker, the old warrior with the perfect record. Sometimes it's the KC-10 Extender, a flying fuel fortress with massive capacity. And now, more and more, it's the KC-46 Pegasus, the next-generation tanker built for contested airspace. Different aircraft, same mission. Keep the Raptor hungry. Keep the Raptor lethal. Keep the Raptor in the fight. The fuel that powers air superiority. The F-22 burns fuel faster than almost any jet in the sky. Supercruise, high-G maneuvers, full afterburner climbs, all of it drains the tanks at a brutal pace. Without the refueler, the Raptor is limited. But with it? The F-22 is unstoppable. That's why every mission, every sortie, every scramble begins with a dance in the clouds, the Raptor and the tanker meeting at a precise place and a precise time. The tanker crew, masters of aerial precision. Inside the tanker, the boom operator prepares. He's lying belly down, eyes locked into the targeting window, hands on the control stick. Behind him, the cockpit crew holds a perfect orbit, steady, smooth, predictable. One wrong move and the mission collapses. He calls out. Raptor, cleared to contact. And the F-22 slides into position, inch by inch. No room for hesitation. No room for error. Just pure skill.